Is your iPhone ringing with a standard ringtone and you want to change it to something more personalized? Let's do it together. Watch the video until the end and I'll share a cool tip. First step is to open up the settings, of course, and then scroll down until you can see section Sounds and Haptics. Now you're gonna select Ringtone section, and here, if your ringtone is default one, then you will see it checked like that. So reflection is a default option. If you scroll down, you will see many other options from which you can choose your new ringtone. Also, if you prefer classic versions of the ringtones, then you can click on the classic and then you'll see this list as well. For example, in classic one, we got this default and really popular type of ringtone, which is Sancha. So to listen it, we just need to click on it once. And here it is. If you go back, you will mute this ringtone. And also, when you click on it, you immediately select it as your current ringtone. So if you want to choose something else, then you just need to click it, go back, and it will be set as your new ringtone. So, also you can see here this tone store, right? So here you'll be able to buy and download additional ringtones. Keep in mind that most of them are paid. And you can also consider alternative ways to get free ringtones through third-party apps such as Zaji, for example. And if you want to set your favorite song as a ringtone, you can do that with GarageBand app. It's a little bit longer, but it's completely free. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Bye bye!